Look. Hey.
Oh, hi.
Wow.
Oh, hi, sweetie. Oh my gosh. Oh no, why did you? No. Wow, I didn't know she was so skinny.
Yeah.
Oh man. Oh my gosh.
Can't wait to see Rachel. We're
I
gonna
can't wait to
have.
show you. Hey.
When she came in, she couldn't go walk. She was loaded with fleas.
Yeah, I heard she wasn't even able to stand up the first 3 days.
Yeah.
Look at this. You're slipping.
Pretty girl.
Look from the top. Oh my gosh, I was not expecting.
Yeah, she is amazing. She's a really great
Can you
girl.
believe that someone let her get like this? I mean, what?
Unfortunately, yeah.
Right.
No, they're in
35 pounds.
kilograms.
Kilograms.
So 70 pounds.
70 pounds, okay. So what do you think is a healthy weight for her? 100, 130?
Yeah, I'd say about 120, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, for
Oh,
sure.
good. I'll make sure I send you guys a lot of pictures.
Yes,
and
please
videos.
do.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi, sweetie
Thank you
pie.
so much.
Oh, look at her go.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Thank you.
You guys take care.
Take care.
She's like fresh air and sunshine. Smell the flowers, baby.
So good.
Absolutely.
You need your
She
food.
deserves it.
Our first carry together. Let's go home. I just want to thank everybody at SOBSC. Thank you for the amazing care that you gave this beautiful dog, and just thank you very much. We're very grateful, and I know so is our new dog that we don't know what to name yet, but we will soon. SOBSC, SOBSC, SOBSC. What a place to be.